Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me this afternoon. I am down in the craft room. I am still working on my fall journal. And as you can see, I've been trying to get some ephemera made. And today, I'm still working on the ephemera, but I have a question for you first before we go to what I want you to craft with me. Is I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought this fabric. This fabric is just beautiful. Nice fall leaves and everything. Love all the colors. But my dilemma comes in when what I did was I had a paper bag, so I had to test it. I got a paper bag and I covered the paper bag. It was a Trader Joe's paper bag. I covered the paper bag and I put some cardstock inside and then a strip so I could sew through it. And I'm testing papers in it. So I don't know if I want it to be that size. And then I cut out these from one of the journal, it's an Alina Hull full-size journal. So I don't know if I want it to be this size or that size. And I have my everything all cut out so I can, finish the back of this. And this is like the, my favorite double-sided tape that I put on here. So if you could down in the comments tell me which size you like better, because I'm having a hard time trying to figure out if I want it big or if I want it little. So if you could vote down in the comments, tell me which size you like best, and the more comments I get on one or the other, that's what I'll decide. Because I'm having a hard time on my own. So today, I need to make some more ephemera. And I'm using this Alina Crafts gift bag metal die. Now what I want to do with this, so if you haven't seen it, that's it. It's the gift bag leather die, and I usually put that on mine, and it looks like that. So, excellent tag thing. So this is what they look like. I need two more. This is what they look like. They're nice bags. Inside, you could put your gift card. Put your gift card inside, or a tag. I'm putting tags. I'm going to use mine for tags, but I'm making an extra one. Hope I didn't seal that up there. But I'm making an extra one so that I can get, I want to put a gift card in for my daughter's birthday, which is next week. So I want to do that for her. So I'm going to make one more because I want 3 for the journal and 1 for her her birthday, to put her birthday card in. Her birthday, not a card, her birthday gift card in. So it's a simple die. I like it because it's simple. I love a good simple die where I don't have to do much. I just fold it, like that. Then I fold it again, fold the second one. You have to cut it out twice. Fold it. Fold, what? No, wait a minute, get it on the fold there, Jay. You're getting too happy about the folding now. Okay, so you got to fold it like that. So what I want to do is, I want to put these guys on. Now, because I don't need to put anything on the back of it, because for this one, I'm just slicking it down into my journal. So I don't have to worry about, I don't have to worry about, what I'm doing there. And then just put your glue on your sides. Put my glue on my sides. And it's quick to make. That's the other thing I like about it. It's quick. Won't take me no time at all to make this. But you know, when it comes to me making stuff, you guys all know, because you've been here long enough, that if something's going to happen to it, it's going to, then I just slide this down in here like that, hoping that my sides and my bottoms stay. And there it is. There you have your little gift card. Just gotta make sure you get all your glue, and then you put this on here. The little shopping bag handles. Cute little shopping bag. Put your little handle on there like that. I should have put it on while I was putting the other one on. I should have done it that way. Like that. Let me just lay it down flat and put my handles on. So I'm hoping everybody's doing well. This fall journal has really got me working, I'm telling you. Get my handles on here. There. So let me press that down. Let me get my bone folder out so I can like press it down. Bone folder, press it down. There we go. There we go. There we go. You know, when it gets cold, does anybody else have that problem? When it gets a little cold and you're playing with the art glitter glue, does your glue begin to not stick down like it did before? My art glitter glue in me for the last couple of days, and I've been down in my classroom working with it. It's like, you know what? We're not sticking down right. Nope, 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 we're not. We're not gonna stick. Or maybe my glue is just so old, it's like, no, don't worry about it. We're not sticking nothing down. Okay, so then you get these nice little reinforcement type things, little circles. I should have found my tweezers to put that down like that. See, today, everything's being messy today. Everything's just messy. But it's coming out nice. And then I'll get hoping I got to get that glue off of there. A little bit of glue on there. I should have had my tweezers. But of course, I don't. I was planning on having a pleasant make. Okay, now let's see. Here's my tray. So I always have my tray where I try to lay all my stuff out so I'll know what I'm doing. I think I want to put this little girl on there. Let me put some leaves on. I like a good leaf for the fall. You know, that's one thing I like. Do you all remember when you were kids? I can remember we get in the car as a kid on a Sunday in the fall, and my dad we had this old station wagon. I think if you've heard my old station wagon stories before, where our station wagon in the back had a hole in it, and we used to drop things through the floor while my dad and my mom was up driving. Now, Mom would fix us a good meal. It had a little basket. It wasn't a little basket. Or was it a little basket? See, that part I don't remember. In my mind, I wanted it to be a picnic basket. You know, picnic basket. But I'm sure it wasn't a picnic basket. You know what I'm sure of it was? I'm thinking it was a grocery sack. And she packed the chicken in it, the biscuits, the cake, little potato salad on ice in a plastic thing. I'm sure that's how it went. I'm sure that's how it went. I would ask my brothers, but they remember nothing. They remember nothing. They don't remember anything. So I can't ask them anything of memory because they have none. So we would go to the hills or the mountainside, and we would go and do the, okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I like how that looks. What do you think? What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. Now, this is the one I want to use to put my daughter's gift certificate in. But what I'm going to do in the journal is I want to put tags and things in there. Little tuck spots and everything. Okay, so I got to make the second one. I like that. That one looks good. Got to let it dry. Push it in, let it dry. Okay, let me get the second one going and everything. So we get in the car and we go riding to the mountains so that we could see the leaves turning. My mom used to always be so excited about that, the leaves turning. Well, I think that's probably one of the reasons why I love fall, because of that. And then we get where we're going. We look at the leaves. Brothers weren't too impressed by the leaves. They probably not even impressed by the leaves to this day. Probably nothing to them. But my mom and my dad, that was out, that was a thing we did in the fall. We'd get in the old station wagon, and we'd go check out the leaves. I don't think myself, if I've driven to the mountains to check out the leaves, I don't think I have myself done it. Do you guys do that? If you live in a state where everything changes, do you go and check out the leaves and everything? You know what I did? I'm talking about those leaves and everything. And I didn't get my things on. But that's okay. I'm going to get them on here. Because I'm worried about this glue. I've noticed maybe I need to refresh my glue or something. Because it's to the point where it's not acting right at all, the glue. I love these little bags, though. Tell me what you think. And I think it's still available. I've had it a little bit of time. I have like a couple of gift card holders. I have a few of them. Oh, don't come off with my hand. The one thing I like about our glitter glue is it does dry white. So, I mean, dry clear. Dry white. It dries clear. So it does dry clear. So I don't have to worry about it when I get the glue. I'll polish that up. Uh-oh, now I had to move it. Come on, go back to your spot. There you go. I'll polish it up. So, get your gift card holders and everything like that. Because I went to the store today to get the gift card for my daughter for her birthday. Because I like to buy people things for their birthdays and stuff. Young people don't like that. No, they rather have the money, or they rather have the gift card, And I think I'm used to having gift cards now too. Because I'm like, get me a gift card. But this year, I don't know how you're feeling about it. This year, for like the major holiday, Christmas and stuff like that, my daughter and I were talking about it. And when it comes to buying things, we both have like everything that we could possibly want or need. And so I think we may be just switching up to just birthdays and not Christmas and stuff like that. I think we're going to get more into the eating of the food, or what, even the eating of the food. We usually switch that up. Sometimes we get a lot of, sometimes we get to the point where we just, like, I don't want a turkey again, I don't want ham, and, you got to figure out what you want to eat and stuff like that, and got to get that going right. And do you want the turkey? Do you want the ham? What do you want? So, that, I should have put those on before I got that on there like that. I tell you, see, look at my glue. My glue is not doing this gluey thing. It's just not. Today, me and glue are having the hardest time. We're just having the hardest time. It doesn't want to stick. But I'm going to make it and let it, and the glue's getting all over everything. This is like not having a good time here today with this one, this project. So this one, I want to make it like the other one. I thought it had I want some leaves. Excuse me. I'll put some leaves on there. I want to leaf like that. Excuse me. Just got stuck there. I am. I want to put that there. Like that. So those are my gift bags. There we go. One's for my daughter. This one's for my daughter. And the other ones are for the journal. I gotta let that one dry a little bit more. But tell me what you think. I'm using the Alina Cuddle or Alina Crafts bag holder dies. I think this gift bag metal die. The gift bag. So it's the gift bag die. So I'll put it in here with the rest of my ephemera that I'm making. I'll put these two in there. But I'll wait till this one dries. So let me know. Please go down in the comments. I really do need your help. Please go down in the comments and tell me which size journal you like better. Like which size? Smaller one, or a larger one. But I do love this fabric. So I'll see you all in my next video. If you're not a subscriber, please press that subscribe button. I don't know what got in my throat. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Press the bell beside so you'll know when I upload a new video. Probably be doing one more ephemera for the journal before I put it all together. I'll come back on so you all slow everything in. I'll probably do one more ephemera thing before we get going, before I finish up. And remember, self-care is not selfish, so take care of yourselves. See you all in the next video. And I'm getting ready to announce my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll go, do the video, show you all the stuff that I'm going to give away. And I'll be doing that in about a week or so. So thank you very much. I got to investigate how to do these giveaways. I haven't done one in a while. So if anybody knows any notes or anything, please put that in the comments, and I'll do that. Thank you for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.